Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'll be doing shop and cook with me. And today's recipe, we are making turkey stew. Thank you for stopping by and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. With no further ado, let's cook. I will start by taking the basket that I'll be using for the shopping, and thereafter I will go straight to where the turkey are, and then I will be taking 4 bags. If you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and also don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much. And after taking the 4 bags, I'll go straight home, and these are all the bags of the chicken, or sorry, turkey I took from the supermarket. So these are all the 4 things, and I'll also be using this ingredient as well. Another ingredient I will be using is bottle tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes depending on your preference. So I went ahead to wash all the turkeys, place them in a clay pot, and now I'll start to add all the spices, and thereafter I will go straight to cooking the turkey. If you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to like. I will be adding the dry rosemary at this point. If you have fresh one, you can also use it as well. And then I went ahead to add some onions and fresh pepper, aka atarudo, the one you know you can tolerate. And thereafter, I'll be adding some bay leaf. You can use fresh bay leaf as well. Next thing I will be doing is to add some thyme into this, and then I'll go ahead to add curry into this as well. And next I will go ahead to add ginger and garlic paste, and then I will mix everything together. If you have watched up to this moment, please go ahead to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and share so that other people will watch this video. So I just went ahead to place this on my gas cooker and allow this to simmer for some minutes without adding water. Now I'll be adding some boiled water so that I can continue to cook this turkey until it is tender. After adding the water, just go ahead to mix everything up together, and I'll be cooking this for 10 to 15 minutes on low medium heat. Thank you guys for watching so far. And after 15 or 20 minutes thereabouts, I'll go ahead to open up the pot and then give everything a good stir again. Next, I will be showing you what to do. The next thing I'll be doing is to blend onions, fresh pepper, and then I will set this aside. And if you have watched up to this moment, you haven't subscribed, please go ahead to subscribe. Thank you. I went ahead to air fry the turkey. This is batch 1. I have air fry one side, so I'll just go ahead to flip the other side and air fry it. I didn't want to use oil to fry this, so I went ahead to use the air fryer. I will be placing it back again to my air fryer, and then I will set it aside. In a clean pot, I will go ahead to add my vegetable oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. I will allow this to hold for some minutes, and next I will go ahead to add bay leaf, and then I will add my onions. Yes, you want to be generous with your onions. I like onions a lot in my food. Then I'll be adding some Maggi. I'm using no Maggi. Then I will go ahead to just stir this up and fry all these for a few minutes just to awaken the fragrance, the aroma. At this point, my kitchen is scenting. Nice aroma. Now I'll go ahead to add those onions and fresh pepper I blended earlier on. I didn't put everything because it was so hot. Now I'll be adding the tomatoes, the bottled tomatoes I showed you guys earlier on. I will add this, and then I will just go ahead to use water to rinse the container, and then I will go ahead to stir this up and cover this to cook for few minutes before showing you the next thing I did. I cover this up to cook for few minutes. So after cooking for few minutes, I'll go ahead to open up the pot. Now I'll go ahead to stir this up before adding the next ingredient. And the next ingredient is going to be our stock. Remember, I cooked my turkey before, so this is one of the stock. And I'll also be adding another stock. I cooked chicken or turkey earlier on, so I just put that one inside the fridge. So I'll be using both of them now. After adding all the stock, I'll go ahead to stir this up, and then I'll cover this to cook on a low medium heat for 20 to 25 minutes. And after that, I'll go ahead to open up the pot. Now, these are all the turkey that I have fried. I'll go ahead to add it into the stew. Mind you, our stew is not yet cooked properly, is not yet ready, but you can still see some oil floating on the top, but not well properly cooked. So I'll go ahead to stir everything and cover to cook again for a few minutes. And after a few minutes, I'll open up the pot. Guys, at this point, our turkey stew is ready. Can you see that? This was so yummy. This was so delicious. What will you be pairing your turkey stew with? I went ahead to pair mine with some rice. You can pair yours with spaghetti. You can use it to eat potato, plantain, and all that. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.